So guys, this is the Accra Art Center, the hub of tourism in Ghana, and this is the drum factory. As you can see, they are making the drum. If you need anything, if you need anything drum, just let us know. If you need anything drum, just let us know. So guys, if you need anything, if you want to know anything about these drums, if you need them, just please don't hesitate to drop it in the comments below, or better still, you can reach out at the description of my YouTube channel. My email address is there, my WhatsApp number is there. Please write me an email, write me a WhatsApp number, and let's talk. Okay, whatever you need, whether it is these drums that you need, or you need any other thing that has to do with the tourism and culture of Ghana, please don't hesitate to contact me. As you can see, the drums are being manufactured here, made with original materials, original wood, shea butter wood, and that of mahogany tree wood. So you see, so if you need these drums or you need any other thing, just let us know. We'll make sure we deliver them to you. This is the hub of tourism in Ghana. This is the drum factory in Ghana, the drum factory located at Art Center, Accra, Ghana. Accra Art Center is adjacent Kwame Nkrumah Memorial Park, and also very close to Independence Square and that of Black Star Square. So if you need these drums, okay, if you need these drums or anything tourism in Ghana, just let us know, okay? We'll make sure we deliver them to you. Here are the other finished products. Here are the finished products, as you can see here. These are the finished products. These are the finished goods. These are the finished products. As you can see, these are the finished products. So guys, as you can see, these are the finished products. The drums. If you need them, just let us know. We'll make sure they are delivered to you. Yeah, da. Pacho fache mi why. Okay, so if you need this drum, just let us know. We'll make sure we deliver them to you. We have gallant men that have been doing this work all their life. This is what they know how to do best. So if you need them, just let us know. As you can see, this video is unedited. I'm not editing this video, I'm uploading it like this. The way I'm taking this video is the way I'm going to upload it. Show you the raw pictures, raw videos. To show you how authentic. This is not AI. This is raw video from Accra Art Center in Ghana, in Accra, Ghana, West Africa, Africa. So it does not matter which country you find yourself. If you need this drum, just let us know. We'll make sure we deliver them to you, okay? No matter where you find yourself in this world, if you need these drums, just let us know. We'll make sure we deliver them to you. We have a formidable team that can deliver them to you, okay? Thank you so much. If you have any questions, any concern, just drop them in the comments below. Or if you have any questions or concern that is not of public consumption, please don't hesitate to reach out to the description of my YouTube channel. My email address is there and my WhatsApp number is there. Let's do business, okay? Let's talk. Contact me and let's talk, okay? I have a formidable team, okay? Thank you so much.